For less than a day, we explored Finland. Inside Vantaa Airport, we popped by MOOMIN Cafe to see some compact laminate applications. As we head down towards Helsinki, we passed by Finland's primary birch forests. Not only did Finland's long winter season surprise us, but also its efficient public transportation, linked by a comprehensive bus and rail network. We spotted several key buildings, including Finkino Oy, the biggest cinema in the country, the Finnish National Art Gallery, Stockmann, Northern Europe's largest department store, and Harold, a chain of restaurants right down the block. But what got our attention is McDonald's. Its first floor had bar partitions and tabletops made of HPL wood patterns and birch plywood. Its basement floor also had microwave covers, white HPL tabletops, yellow HPL chairs, and more wood patterns. MOOMIN store installed a scene from this picture book where the nation's most beloved characters are built with plywood and HPL. This is a chopping board also made of thin plywood. Marimekko is a brand that is hard to miss. It innovates iconic textiles, clothing, and home furnishings since 1951. Its mission is to bring color and happiness into lives and homes everywhere. And of course, we looked at some Scandinavian furniture designs. One brand that stood out is Firm Living, a Danish design company for home decor accessories. Norman Copenhagen had lighting fixtures that serves as a great inspiration for HPL use. Well, that's a wrap for our time in Helsinki, Finland.